Hey guys! So today I am going Karjat with my college friends, same old friends, and we'll have fun. But right now I woke up at 5:30 and reached college 7. Actually, we decided to meet at college at 7 o'clock, and now it's 8:30, and some friends are left to come, so we are waiting for them, and then we'll leave. So let's see how it happens and how much I enjoy, and I'll let you know the further things so you can see them. So before that, I'll show you my outfit. I'm going in this red car. My friend is going to drive. What? Your car is maroon. It's not red. This car is red. We are following that blue car. We have 4 cars in total. And let's see. There's the first, second, and the third one. Waiting for the 4th car. And all 4 the cars came. Guys, finally reached and our last car is left to come. That one black car is still left to come. The place is quite good and it's really very nice. So I'll show you the place, and the view was really very amazing. Finally that black car came.
scavengers silently lurked in the grass. All around me, I could hear the language of Africa. In the roar of the lion, the grunts of the warthog,
Bhavya, storyteller.
the twittering of the birds, and the bark of the cheetah.
So guys, it's evening and we did our lunch and then we did rest and now we are planning to go in the pool. So the climate is also very nice. So I'll let you know. Guys, you must have seen her very less time, but she's my best friend since last 6 years. And she is very much camera conscious and she don't like to come. See. She's running. See. You are not my best friend anymore. And now we are going in the pool.
यार बाकी कोई नहीं है.
And the weather is very nice. I think it will rain now. And you guys can see some boys have gone. And now it's our turn. Guys, the weather is so nice that I think it will rain, and if it rains then it's sorted. We don't need anything else like trip, then nice climate and with friends. It's always awesome. What do you guys say? The lights are awesome at night at this place. It's really very good place, and the music is so loud outside, so I have to come inside and vlog, and I'm keeping my phone. I'll just enjoy, and my voice is also gone. They all are like droving inside the water, and I'm like I just be inside the water, and I'm like my voice is gone. I don't know how much water I must have drank this chlorine water. So that's it, and yeah, I'll let you know. The lights are amazing, the people are amazing. Like if you are planning to come here, do come. It's incredible. 10 o'clock and we came out of the pool and got fresh, and it was great fun. Like seriously, it was great fun. And now we are going to do a dinner, and we are literally waiting for food. Like, and here food is really very amazing. You can't say that you didn't like the food. And food was yummy at noon, and we are expecting the same. And it was great fun. The pool lights, everything is amazing. And that's it. I got fresh, and this is what I'm wearing, a track pant and a normal t-shirt. So now we are going for dinner. Good morning, guys. It's 10:30 and we slept at 8 o'clock. Like everyone slept by 5:36, but I and my friend were just talking and talking, and it it happened 8 o'clock, and then we slept, and now we have woke up. Now we'll do breakfast and then leave for Mumbai. That's at our places, and I'll let you know. We had a great fun yesterday. Like whole night we were just roaming here, dancing, and literally enjoyed a lot. And I can't express. It was really very great fun. So guys, we are leaving now for home, and the place was quite amazing. Like it was superb. Literally, it was superb. And the food, you can't say, food was literally very tasty, veg, non-veg both, and it was amazing. You can't doubt on food. Like it's really very nice. All meeting for the last time. So guys, the trip is end. Trip ends. Yes. Okay, so guys, trip ends and we are leaving for home. And 4 cars went in different directions, and we are not taking halt. And we don't know when we'll meet next. We are literally clueless. Let's see. We are planning trips more, but my friends are getting job at different places, so I hope it's possible. And that's it. Bye bye.